Well, to be quite honest, they're all very interesting. The one that touched me most was the youth with employment, and I think that's a good discussion that I can express myself with, is that I believe that all the youth without employment can be helped, because instead of sending people abroad, you can get people from abroad to come over here. So if you send 1,000 people over abroad, you can get 1,000 professionals coming here for the same cost, but teaching 2,000 of our people, 3,000, 4,000, 100,000. And it gets everyone included, even the one who can read and write, because they will show the skills. And if we're looking for jobs and we're looking for tourism, that's the way to learn, by professionals talking to them, helping them to understand. It's not up to my elderly brothers, which is the ministers, to decide who could listen to that conversation or not, because we've all got skills. Even though they say we're missing the skills, we've all got skills. We only need somebody to help it to come out. So I think the best idea is to think about getting people from abroad coming here, lightening up our youth, giving them encouragement, letting them know that they can do. Even though you can't read and write, you're alive, you're somebody, you've got skills. And they'll be surprised how much skills you have. But sometimes they do not have that time to dedicate to see you shine. And that's all what's missing. But once you get them things right, this is a country to be proud of in 360 degrees, and I am proud of it.